So guys, I'm really sorry, but this video doesn't have any intro, but you will find any information or every information down in the information box. So bear with me. I'm so sorry I forgot to do an intro for this one. So let's start just by the construction of the hair. So as you can see, this is the construction of the hair. It comes with a tag. There is the logo Noble Hair. The hair is from Aliexpress, as I already said or didn't say. So it comes with two combs on the sides. Those. Here you can see the parting and the other comb at the back. And also with some adjustable stripes. And this is the construction. As you can see, it's a lace front wig. Yes, from ear to ear. I think this one is a 13 by 4 or by 6, I don't know. So this is the curl pattern. This is how it came to me, and yeah, I really love the hair. And as I already said, you will find every information about the hair in the description box. For me, I really like the hair. I really love the hair. I'm wearing it like for about 2 months now or something, and for a synthetic wig it's really good. Yeah, it's synthetic hair, that's why it was so cheap. So yeah, out of 10 points I will give this hair a 8 because it's really good hair. So thank you for watching, and sorry I don't have any intro or anything, but we'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.